So now, no, I'm telling you that this is a very critical part because I lived with the path, but I'm sharing the path. We did through transistor. I used vacuum tubes, radios. I used to go and sit with the people who have a radio house. Today you don't have any chance. Nobody is doing a repairing or anything. If you don't like this phone, you throw it away. Whereas we had repair houses. We go and sit with them. There's a big soldering line. They put a thing and everything. We learned everything, how to solder, and we learned everything. In school days, I learned typing up to higher pass. And Hindi, we do everything. And shorthand everything. We know about electronics. We know screen printing. We know photography. We learn those things because 11th and 12th, we don't have any stress on the subject. Nobody has told me if you don't score mark, you are going to be useless. So we had a lot of luxury time. No, I'm from a small village, not from a great town or Chennai or Trichy or Coimbatore. It's a very small place. In a place called Manavadi. It's a very small place down south. I'm from there. Which what is there in the place? Nothing else. But still, we could do wonders there because we had plenty of time. Today, what you lack is plenty of. Every student today lacks is the most valuable thing, time. So that's why I'm trying to make these things are all very simple as possible. Now you see here, this is what we call as a discrete. We call this a. So what happened? I had electronics started with discrete component. Then people have moved to IC. So it's a big fight used to go on. When I go to the colleges, my friends used IC. I used transistor. The reason was I say that hey, if one transistor goes bad, if I use transistor in my circuit, one transistor is 1 rupee. I say 10 rupees. I spend how many rupees? One IC is how many rupees? So one IC cost me 100 rupees. One transistor cost me 10 rupees. 10 transistor 100 rupees. So I tell, hey, one transistor goes bad, how much I lose? But how much you lose? 100 rupees. So I say, as a service point, I may very say, we refuse to use ICs. Okay, but the newcomers, those who don't know how to do circuits, everything, they always go for, they will do much faster than us. They will do much faster than us. But the only problem comes when the IC goes bad. They have to spend another 100 rupees and go stand in the, what do you call, that attender, the lab attender, get the another IC is very tough. But transistors are available in the market. I can go to any shop, I can get 10 rupees and get a transistor and security. So we always, this is a very important thing. This is what we don't understand. Why? When you are doing a BE, about 5 of us have called, they have something called BE honors. We got BE honors. Okay, whereas somebody has failed in BE. They spent 2 years to chasing the paper and got the degrees. Those days we can call chasing the paper. We can find out the paper is going to be corrected, everything. We go and correct that professor and correction is not giving money. It's all feeling based. My life is gone, sir. Everything will go, everything. This guy says, okay, let him 2 marks, give it, and he pass. That's the way we do the thing. It's not only money is corruption. Even feeling is called corruption. So that's the way. That guy is today's CEO of a company in US. Okay? Okay, my friend who is called along with BE Honors, he asked me, Balajee, what mistake we did? I am still working in the MRL as only a manager. Because this guy is working as CEO of a company. This guy did not learn anything about electrical at all during except watching movies and doing everything. He has not learned. He chased the paper and he is a CEO of a company. He said, very true. The problem is, between you and me is, we were so attached to the subject. We refused to see the change. That gave us not attached to anything. Okay, when the VLSI came, he learned VLSI, went in. See, the problem is, that's why you see that the people, those who get too much attached to the subject, that's why we always, our philosophy says always, attachment in detachment. You should know that thing. You are not supposed to get, that's why I'm saying we have a big problem. That's what I'm trying to address. We all have a biggest attachment is, I will do job only in the core company. Am I right? There's a big problem happening which nobody understand. 10 years back, core company and IT company got merged. Today there is nothing called core company, nothing called IT company. All IT companies are core companies. Okay, all core companies are IT companies. You may move from IT company to core company working for IT. You may move from a core company to IT company working for a core job. Okay, I knew that. I know what is happening on the industry, which you may not understand at all. If you do not understand this change, if you do not understand the change, you will be on the same place. No, I'm telling you reality. We got stuck. How I got stuck was, I was stuck in transistor. Whereas my friends started using that because he did not know about transistors. See that? How lucky not knowing about transistor. How unlucky I am because I know about transistor. That's the thing. Today you know that so many people are working in IoTs and Arduino boards and Raspberry Pi, everything. None of them know about what is electronics. You know that? Okay.
That's the primary goal of this group, sir.
Okay.
The primary goal of this.
I know that. I know. I'm addressing the right reason. That's the reason. You are not learning today. You are not learning electronics today. You are not doing anything because of your. Because I studied 4-year ECE. I studied electronics 4 years. I have to get attached to only. That's a mindset. The problem is you refuse to accept the change. That is better. That's what the thing here exactly happened on when I get into the BE. But it was very fortunate enough for me to accept the change. I had a very, what do you call it, hot thing. Decision took, hey, this digital looks to be very easy, man. Myself and friend, he is a university topper. We used to discuss, hey Swami, hey, something is changing, Swami. I think we do everything, but he could finish it faster. Then we start discuss, so finally, Balajee is something wrong. Let us teach electrical. So I went to